Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add text behind images in Canva. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC and navigate to canva.com using your user credentials. After you navigate to canva.com, you'll have to simply open the project that you're working on. So I'm using this image as an example. I will click on Use in Design and this will instantly open this image in Canva. Now, I'll click on text and add a heading. I will name it something like Mustang. I will change the color of this text to make sure it's visible. Now, as you can see, the text is still above the object. So in order to place it behind the object, what you can do is press Alt on your keyboard and left click on your screen, and this will instantly create a copy of your image. Now, if you have Canva Pro plan, you can click on BG Remover and this will instantly remove the background from the second picture that we copied and you can place it back here. But if you don't have Canva's premium plan, what you can do is simply delete that picture, navigate to a new browser and type in background remover free, and this is going to show you different kind of search results through which you can remove background of any picture you want. I will choose this one for example purposes, that is crayon.com. Now, I will click on import an image and upload the image that we previously uploaded on Canva and we are working with. So this will process the image and remove the background from it. Now, this will give you an option to download your image. Click on download that image and your image will be instantly downloaded onto your PC's local file. Now, we'll head back to Canva. Here, I will click on upload option, click on upload files and choose to upload the image that we just remove the background from. Now I will simply drag and drop it on my image, and as you can see, this is an exact replica of the element, that is the car. I will place it and adjust the position of this to match the position of the car in the image. After you do this, you will see that your text is still up. So what you'll have to do is right click on the text, click on layer and choose send backward. Now, this will instantly send this image behind the element that we just placed. You can also resize this text anyhow you want. I can increase the size of this text. I can also add different kind of effects, colors, and anything I want to this text. And that text will remain behind the image. So this looks pretty neat and clean, as you can see. And if you would like to adjust the text size, you can click on text again and you'll get the option to place it anywhere you want behind the image that you would have put on Canva. Now you can easily click on the share option at the top right, click on download and click on download again. And that will instantly download your image onto your PC. So it's looking pretty clean and good. So that's a simple way through which you can add text behind images in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.